under the, what's it called?
Stunting is a habit. Get like me. Hey, I've seen a Chevy with a kid like me.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by MyFirstWig. They sent me this unit to try for you guys almost a year ago, and here we are putting her back on again for this upstyle. It is also Sippin' Slaying Girl got her Wawa today because I will be drinking later on my virtual date with Kinky, and I don't want to be too tipsy, okay? I might want to do some things. So let me hydrate. But anywho, in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to do this very quick 5-minute upstyle. I did that. When I say 5 minutes, I mean 5 minutes. And I also want to give you guys a mini update on my wig that I have, you know, been wearing out for about a year now. So if you want to get some hair inspo and hear some updates about the wig, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from MyFirstWig. All the specs for my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is my second time reviewing this wig on camera. However, I have worn this wig a couple times. About 5 times out of 10, I go to grab for this wig if I'm doing like a messy updo upstyle where I want my edges to be, you know, under my wig but look real natural. This is the wig, okay? So when I don't wear my wigs, I try to put them back in the packaging. My wigs used to be all over my house, and Kinky got sick of that. So now I try to be real intentional about putting my wigs back. I would say I've worn this wig about a good 6 or 7 times since I've done the initial install. So this is how it's looking. I have not washed her since the initial install, and this is how the hairline is looking, lace is looking. I haven't used no extra product on the hairline. I pretty much just put her on my head, tighten down my straps if I need to, and go on about my business. I may use a little bit of mousse to kind of, you know, melt my edges around my head, but that's pretty much it. My unit did come with the air lace. However, I do not think they offer that anymore because I'm not really seeing that on the site. Y'all see my name right there? Yeah, they renamed Wig RaShon after I did my review because, you know, I slayed that. So Malaysian hair, 13x6, 130. Hair color, natural. Hair length, 16. Cap size, size 2. Kinky straight. Yeah, I'm not seeing the different types of lace. It used to come with the different types of lace. You can get like the Swiss lace or the air lace. I'm assuming all of them come with the same lace now. So if it's the air lace, then, you know, that'll be great. But if it's not, it could be like their Swiss lace or their HD transparent lace. Those are like 2 of the other options they offer. Extra customization, extra 3 to 5 days. The pre-plucked hairline and pre-bleached knots for daily use only is free. That doesn't add any extra type of payment as far as I saw, but you can spend a little bit of extra if you want to do extra deep pluck hairline for film and photo shoot, and then extra deep bleach. If you do the pluck hairline and the extra deep bleach, those are 2 separate charges. You have to add those in there. My wig will be $349.80 after the discount because they do have a sale going on right now. But what's confusing me is that right here on this banner, it says that the wigs come with pre-plucked hairline, no need to customize. So that extra customization would kind of be pointless. And then it has wide parting, secured with band, high bun available, invisible lace. Actually, that's me right there. That is my picture. So yeah, I need MyFirstWig to kind of explain that a little bit better in my comment section, because if I'm confused about it, then I know you guys are going to be confused about it as well. I know they added in those extra prices because they want everybody to get the same thing or want you to choose what you want on your wig, what you don't want on your wig. But if you guys are already giving us pre-customized wigs, do we really need to pay for the extras? Does that make sense? But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I pop this wig on my head and do my upstyle really quick. This is how the cap looks on the inside, nothing crazy. Again, all of mine is like the upgraded specs. Let's do this right off the pack. Same part and space from the initial install. I've been liking the side action. Take my glasses off so y'all can see the sides over here. The wig fits down really nice. Even though this is 130% density, it is really full and fluffy. So you definitely have the texture and the fullness on this one. This is how we're looking. I can see the bump in the bend from my ponytail, but we're gonna fix that, okay? Put my glasses on because I cannot see. No makeup, just the wig on my head. This is gorgeous. But MyFirstWig, if you're not offering what I have anymore, let me know the closest to get to this point. What do I need to choose to get to this point? Let me show you guys how I do my upstyle. This is gonna be very simple. All right, so I gotta part it off like this. I'm gonna take my comb in the back of the wig and put it up under the band so I can get it as flat as possible. Then I'm gonna take all the hair and I'm gonna pull it up on top of my head. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. This is a messy up style, nothing crazy. All right, see how the back is sitting? Nice. Let me scoot down some. Take a ponytail wrap it twice. And then I'm gonna take this little ponytail sock bun situation. I used to wear these in the military, but I use a sock. That's why it's called a sock bun, but you can actually buy these. It's like a netting. You can actually buy these from the store. I take it and I put it over the hair and then move all the hair all over. Take another ponytail and I bring it over top like this. Make sure everything is covered. Loosen it up a little bit so it's not so perfect. Pull some of the hairs out so I can curl those pieces. Bring some of the sides down so I can lay that down. Let me clip this up really quick. Make sure this is forward. I'm gonna take my Nairobi mousse. Here, can y'all see that? Take my Nairobi mousse around the hairline. Uh-oh. Just to melt the edges down. Pat, 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 pat. I was watching the daggone the Earthquake Netflix special. Y'all, I love him. He is hilarious. There go another one. Pat, 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 pat. Make sure my back is right. I cannot see without my glasses on, so I am winging this part right here. Don't judge what I'm doing, okay? My first wig does not have an actual band, so I'm gonna use what I already have. Tie this back. I adjusted the camera a little bit so y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. All right, curling iron is ready. Yes, put some curls in it. Messy, 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 messy. Make sure I get my ends. Now, normally I leave my bang out like this, but it is raining outside and it keeps going on and off, and I don't think I wanna be dealing with that all day. So I think I'm gonna clip it back into my ponytail, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. It's very simple. This is my cheap little curling iron from Amazon. Hold it up, hold it up. I'm just gonna take it, because again, I want it to be kind of messy. I'm gonna use a bobby pin, pin it right to the back. Pin it right down like this. Before I take this off, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then we will come back and finish up the rest of this look. I had to go back in and tighten down my ponytail because it was a little bit too much slack in the back, so we worked that out. And then we'll go back in and fix the curls really quick before I go back in and finish up my styling. Take off the band. First of all, let me put my glasses over top like that. And because I pulled it so tight, I'm gonna spray it down right here in the front. So I'm gonna use my extra spray and I'm gonna spray it right here in the front. Make sure my back is down. Curl up some of these loose pieces. It blends in with my natural hair really, really well, which is why I love this wig. I've tried a good amount of wigs from MyFirstWig, and this is my favorite. I mean, come on. I kind of crisscrossed that on accident, and I actually like how that looks. Okay. I will use some hairspray though, just to kind of finish up. Wait a minute, my light's going out. I will use some hairspray to finish out the look. And the ponytail portion is all in how you want it to look. You pull out how many hairs you want, that kind of thing. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's why it's called a messy pony. You don't have to use the little sock bun situation. You can definitely just kind of pull it up. I just wanted to use it because I've used it before and I like how it looked. So that's why I used it again. And you put one more bobby pin right there. This one is coming out. Mess it up a bit. Just keep curling, just keep curling. Why does this curl not want to stay? Curl this one more time. That's the only thing about this texture. Once that humidity hits it, it's over with. Gotta make sure you set it and forget it. Wasn't that an infomercial with that daggone turkey cooker? Oh, that's the wrong hairspray, not that. I don't want Eben. I want Tresemme. Tresemme extra hold hairspray. Focus. Here we go. Oh, wait a minute. It's on my eyelash. Ooh, they're gonna be a little stiff when they dry, but that's okay. If you want the look, you're gonna use that hairspray, okay? Messy hairline, that's what I'm going for. Not going for perfection. I didn't put no bobby pins in the back because I used that comb under the what's it called? Under the elastic band to get my wig to lay down flat. And the way the cap construction sits, it's pretty much already laying flat anyway. Flatten this a little bit. And that is pretty much it for the look. Hey y'all, so here's the final look. Put the wigs up. And if you're worried about the back not laying flat, y'all know that I like to use my bobby pins back there. I didn't have to use it for this one, like I said, because I used my elastic band and that comb in the back to kind of, you know, lay that flat. But if you have an issue with how yours is laying in the back, you can still do the same thing. Bring the edges down the back, okay? They're fake edges. You're making edges. And then you're going to take your bobby pin, push it down flat, and you're just gonna bobby pin it flat on the wig like this, and it'll lay it flat. You can do this style with a 13x6, 13x4, maybe even a closure. I have done it on all of them, and every single time they look good. How we looking? I feel like this looks real cute. I'm ready for my virtual date with my baby. Hey, Kinky. This is giving natural. My first wig. What hairline is this? Huh? Tell me what hairline this is now. What is it now? Okay, because when I got the wig, it was different. Now y'all got some other things going on, so I need to know what the hairline is now. Just make sure you're keeping up with that same standard with what I got. Again, I'll make sure I put the answer in the description box, okay? I think the most recent review that I've seen on this exact wig is from Sherelle, aka Simply Sherelle. I'm gonna link her video in the description box so you can see exactly what she got on her wig, and her wig did look good, but I did notice some things that were a little bit different than what was on my wigs. But again, the final look is gorgeous. I still love the hair, so get your voice ready, okay? Daddy Pawpaw is on the line. Shout out one more time to MyFirstWig for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.